Many people say I'm going on the Botswana exchange, but the way I see it, it's a Botswana change. Our program in Botswana actually changes the students.
The Pitzer in Botswana program is going through a really exciting transition. For many years we have been basing the program entirely in Botswana. What's exciting about the program as we move forward is it's going to include these very extensive study trips to South Africa and Zimbabwe.
It's a Botswana program, but it has a tri-nation approach.
By being in 3 countries helps students to realize the complexity of that continent.
Upon arrival in Botswana, students spend their first month in a rural village, Manyana, studying intensive Setswana.
In Botswana, they spent a month in a village, living with homestays. That allows them to totally immerse in the local culture because they learn the language, they go to funerals, they go to weddings, they go to churches.
After that month in the small villages, the students will be moving north to do a study trip of the Okavango Delta,
which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. We take them into Victoria Falls, one of the 7 natural wonders of the world.
After that component, students will then be traveling into Zimbabwe and living with host families in the capital city of Harare. And in all cases, we'll have a series of guest lectures around key topics. After the Zimbabwe program, students are going to return to Botswana, to the capital city Gaborone, and will be involved both in the continuation of their core course lectures, but also be involved in an internship of their choice.
There's a variety of NGOs that they can choose from depending on their academic course, working in the public health field, schools, orphanages, the Center for Human Rights in Botswana.
Students with a more advanced biology background can also intern with the Vaccine Institute, a joint initiative between Pitzer College and the University of Botswana that is researching and developing low-cost vaccines for the region. Students will then be traveling to South Africa and will be based in the community of Soweto, a suburb of Johannesburg. We'll be looking in great detail at the impacts of the apartheid regime.
And here's an incredible opportunity for students to spend some time with people in Soweto and get to learn firsthand the kind of struggles that all these people went through as they struggle against apartheid.
In the final month of the program, students will return to Botswana and will work on their capstone project. Students can choose to either focus specifically on Botswana. Students may also choose to do a more comparative project that looks at a key issue in the 3 countries of the program.
The student who goes to Botswana comes back as another student because that program is very powerful. Students learn and have a new lens to look at the whole continent of Africa.